I am Arunjeev Singh, Barrister, New Zealand. Today I will discuss with you few policies of immigration New Zealand with regard to work visas for overseas workers or students. The first category I would like to discuss today is graduate work experience visa. This is also called open work visa after completion of study. To apply under this category, the applicants must be international student before applying that, and they must have completed a recognized qualification in New Zealand under skilled migrant category, and they must have 4,200 New Zealand dollars in their bank account. The important requirement in this category is that there is no need for a job offer from any New Zealand employer. The only requirement is that the applicant must have completed a recognized qualification in New Zealand. The qualification could be either 2 years level 5 and 6 qualification, or level 7 or level 8 or level 9 1-year qualification. After completing this qualification, the applicant has to apply for graduate work visa post-study, that is called open work visa, and it has to be applied within 3 months of completion of the study by the applicant in New Zealand. So the three important things needs to be taken care of. First is the application must be filed within 3 months of completion of the study. Secondly, the recognized qualification has been completed, and the qualification certificates have to be attached with the application. And lastly, the applicant must have 4,200 New Zealand dollars in their bank account, and those funds must be from known source of income. Many applicants ask that if they have eligible sponsor who is a New Zealand resident or citizen, can they sponsor the applicant for open work visa? The answer is no. The applicant must have 4,200 New Zealand dollars in their bank account. Another question is being asked with regard to the funds, that can the student or applicant borrow funds from their friends or relatives in New Zealand in cash, and then put the cash in their bank account and attach the bank statement with the application? The answer is no. Applicant must have 4,200 New Zealand dollars from known source of income. If those funds are transferred from one account to another, that is okay. If the funds are being transferred from overseas by relatives or friends, that is also okay. But if the funds are deposited in cash without having any evidence as to from where those funds were generated, then the immigration officer may ask the reason and the source of those funds, and the applicant has to establish that those funds were his own funds, not borrowed or loaned from somebody else. The three requirements, if met, the applicant can be granted open work visa for a period of 12 months, that is 1 year, and within that 1 year work visa, the applicant can work anywhere and any number of hours. Now I will discuss a few things regarding the post-study employer assisted work visa. This is a category we called under Immigration Policy Manual as WD1. You need to remember that WD1 is a category where you can get work visa on the basis of a job offer which must be relevant to your qualification which you have studied in New Zealand. It means that the job offer must be of a skilled nature. The market rate for that particular position which has been offered to you must be given to you. and there must not be another applicant who has been approved work visa for the same position by the same employer in the same permit. Few things which needs to be taken care of by the applicant while applying for WD-1. First thing is that the job offer must be for a skilled occupation. Secondly, no other person has been granted work visa on the same position and in the same premises or with the same company as the applicant. The third thing is that the job offer must meet the requirements of immigration policy of WD-1, and the applicant must have good character and health which would be of sound nature.